here, onto the next line. Here you see, after a while it becomes slightly darker and shinier the more you use like the oil of your sweet hand. That's what it is as well. So after a while it develops all kind of difference, right? So now everyone has one of the techniques, right? So now what I want everyone to do, right? Put your leather onto the smooth side up. Smooth side up. Right. So I'm gonna draw the outline of my whole piece of leather like that onto the smooth side of the leather. Draw on the very side, you cannot see. And you see? You can see the whole outline there, lor. You can see. As long as you see the line, then it's good enough. So this one, right? On a big piece, try to fit in the middle. Make sure the whole piece fit. Don't follow any of the line I cut, because just now I anyhow cut also. And then this one, once in the middle, fit. I put a weight here so you have to follow. Help me to draw all the lines for all the different pieces. Same. Then the circle, you just help me to just mark the circle by just drawing the circle line. Just draw a circle.
Hello. Huh? I thought you did.
Person next to you, if they secretly don't like you, yeah? So what you do now? Pen knife, right? Don't please don't hold like a steak knife, okay? No more meat, no more egg while you cut, right? Now, instead I hold like a pen, make it much easier. You use more of your wrist and your elbow. Right, so like that. Hold my ruler down tight, hold like a pen, right? Press and slide, right? And make it look very easy, right? But as long as your ruler hand is still here, you can make multiple passes over the same piece until it's all cut. Okay?
I tell you first, you do like very pro. When we cut one cut, then go through one.
Cannot. I mean, like, you just try the when you start cutting, you just cut this one like easy piece first, and the rest you cut later. Okay, and then there's one more small thing, right? You see the corners here, this one. When I'm cutting this piece, you see there's a lot of inner corners here, right? What I always want to do is cut from the innermost point, cut out. Innermost point, cut out. Innermost point, cut in, right? Never ever cut this way. Because if I overshoot, then I cut my product, then I cannot save already. Okay? So this one, right? Cut all the straight lines, everything, right? The circles, don't worry, I'm not going to ask you to poke the whole, we got a whole bunch to do that. Okay? So if everyone already this one, you can begin with the cutting. This one, I set the left hand ready, so you can
I got left hand one. Oh, thank you.
just flip the blade upside down.
You have turn 吗？哇，你剪好了嘞！我手酸，手痛。She damn slow. She's taking.
Can start the burnishing process. Right? So the name already chose already.
The name?
Choose.
Mm.
The name will do later. First we do the burnishing. So inside here, should be some sandpapers. Right, so along about 5 times, right? 5 times just to ruffle up the skin. Okay. Here I do brushing the black cap. Right, so the bottom of the black cap is what we call burnishing gum. It's different from the silver cap. I don't use the silver cap one. This one what I do, I take a bit, my finger on the edge here, slowly apply along here, right, spread it across. You see it's really spread now. Hard to see because the colour quite dark.
Mm.
Then I just cross the whole edge. I just do one edge at a time and then all. After I apply the edge, right, I will take this, my burnishing rod, use the smallest one, the most appropriate size. Take here and down, back and forth as fast as you can. Right? Don't press, you press, the edge will crease. So here I just rub very fast. And you can see the it's getting shinier and more deep.
Okay.
And that's just to help you to treat the edge a little nicer and more smoother. Okay. I think I can feel very smooth. These two pieces once again.
Also which one? Then at the edge, just basically make it rough. About 5 times. And what is it do this?
You do one side, also can. You want to do full thing later, but you also can.
Don't just trying to push down. Don't put too much out. Legit look.
Thank you. Only got gold foil?
Yes, for our workshops you need to go for it.
Oh, 130 degree. Thank you.
See if you can.
Can lah, cannot also broken right? Oh, the number 2 like weak oh.
First one, yeah, don't worry. Press the button. The number itself. You try to press again if you want.
How you can aim the same position ah?
I think you have to slowly try lah. Have a chance to, I can accidentally double.
Oh, never mind lah, it's okay. Unique man, everybody also different.
Huh?
No, I said unique, that everybody also different, so don't have the same tool lor. But-
I mean, it's still inside here.
If you can try, okay.
But it may have a chance that it
To go down double right, then worse right. Never mind, it's okay. Okay. Thank you. Hello. Oh, you got us. Oh yeah. Y'all do finish already ah? Huh, do what now?
Oh, maybe you need to do your buttons first. Oh yeah,
Huh, do button?
yeah. Otherwise very hard for you to chop.
Oh, then I need to wait for him to come down lah.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, can.
Where's your inner piece?
What inner piece?
The top. Which one the bottom?
Oh,
You do different color, right?
yeah, 青菜 can.
Inside Okay. This one, there's like this part that's shorter. Short, long, short. Okay, this way You see a lot the difference. Here is actually shorter, here is longer.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so the arrangement will be like short, long, short.
Oh, okay.
Okay, now it's arranged for you Okay, so for this machine, okay, you grab one of this. You put it right below here. Okay, then you take this one. There's like the direction with many stars. Okay, you look at the thing. This side face up. There's something here for you to press it in.
Like that
Like that. Go in below. Here. Okay, press it all the way flat.
Okay.
Okay. This one. You stop in like that. Okay, your job right is to press down this part. Make sure you hold here as well. So 2 hands.
Oh, okay.
Right?
Oh, sorry.
This one. And take the mallet. Next one, keep the mallet.
I hit à?
Yeah.
I hit your hand how? Wait ah.
Everything.
Okay, finish already. Thank you. Opok nga. Oh, 你们的 pork 跟我的 pork 不一样。
拍。
我过
Because ours the milk, yeah. So it's
This obviously not straight. One here, one here. One here, one here.
that's why I don't dare to do because I know I
Yeah, I cannot
struggle
judge.
to-
Yeah, cannot judge. Why this one? One hard work. I scared I forget when we do, so instead of putting him, I put the year.
You put here?
Yeah, 2023. And then sekali tell me say salah year, then what GG.
This is not January.
要
了。
画画的啊？看到了吗？哦，两只。
Cabbage.
This is the Chanel Camellia.
Oh, is it? I choose the flower because inside, right? I don't know 哪里是头哪里是尾，所以我就故意选那个。哇，还要用 glue 的啊
后面是什么？这个？哦，candy。
，candy cane.
Christmas time.
So can remember when we do during Christmas season. So it's very subtle.
What you do for other girl? Don't worry, cakap agak gigit.
I last check ah, 老 auntie. Don't worry, not girl.
Itu gigit tengok. Why bitter ah?
My one I think is the orange skin.
I don't know why mine is bitter.
Is it cause your cranberry was sweet?
Watermelon Camellia tea. 排毒养颜，涩涩了咯。Say the thing is better.
Yeah, it's very pretty looking. That's why he said it also. I think he ordered for us for birthday. Huh? Come home, remember? He wasn't home.